couldn't confirm it in any way. We didn't have the means to do that. But it haunted me for years until I came to MIT and I decided to bring it to a test. I reasoned as follows. It couldn't be that when you jump out of bed, that you all of a sudden become 10 centimeters shorter. You would know that. You would get out of bed and you go clunk, you would know that. So it couldn't be 10 centimeters. I also reasoned, if my grandmother is right, it couldn't be 1 millimeter because you would never know. So if she is right, it's probably a centimeter, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. So if you want to measure it, to see whether it's really true, the accuracy of your measurement, which physicists call uncertainty, the uncertainty of your measurement would have to be about 1 millimeter. And I want to bring that to a test today. I have here an aluminum rod, and I'm going to measure this aluminum rod, its length, in vertical position and in horizontal position. I think none of you would believe that the rod would become longer if it is horizontal, so that's not an issue. But I want to prove to you also that I can measure the length of that rod to an accuracy of about 1 millimeter, which was my goal. And so I need someone to help me who is capable of reading metric system, who can read millimeters. I don't want to hear about inches and feet. That drives me nuts. Who can read? Can you read millimeters? Could you please come? I'm Walter Lewin.
I'm Adrian.
And what is your name?
Adrian.
David?
Adrian.
Adrian. Adrian, if you stand on this side, here we have the aluminum rod, and we're going to measure the length of this aluminum rod in vertical position. Do the best you can, and try to get it as accurate if you can to 1 millimeter.
149.9.
I agree with you. 149.9. No, don't go away. So, in vertical position, the aluminum in vertical position is 149.9